Welcome guys to the Miami Bro channel. This is a different segment. I guess it's part 2 of the first video. This is the other side of the Homestead Marina. So this is the Homestead Park area, not where the little beach area is at, but the other side. It's on the left hand side, and people come out here and do some pretty cool stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, those are the rules of the park. It's open 9 to 5. And check out the social distancing guidelines. 6 feet in between, no large groups allowed. Wash your hands frequently. I don't know where you're gonna wash your hands, but okay. And wear a face mask. There you go. We're here at the Homestead Park, where the marina is at as well. But this is the other side, this is the park area. And as you can see, they have signs here. Social distancing guidelines by the National Park Service, U.S. Department of Interior, Biscayne National Park. So you can see some people here. I already showed up. They're chilling there in their little beach chairs. And this is what people come and do. Come hang out. This is the beach area. And they're in little chairs. Very nice. How you guys doing? All the National Park service boats. I'm not gonna say all of them, but they have a bunch of them parked right there. So I guess this is where they park their boats. Pretty cool. Oh, look at that. I guess you could rent these little canoes here. And run around. Oh, that is pretty cool. I guess some people rented their canoes here and ventured out to that little mangrove island over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't zoom in with my GoPro. I gotta invest some money on a Sony camera where I can zoom in and out. But for now, guys, I'll keep using my GoPro. Monkey see, monkey do. It says no fishing. No fishing. But I've heard of some people that they actually come out here and they actually fish and they're not supposed to.
It's fishing.
Oh, like for example, oh. Alright guys, so that was the little trail. I wanted to show you the rest of this area here, but I don't know why it's closed. Just I guess it is.
The park is closed. That's the park.
No, I think that all of this is the park. Something's probably wrong over there. But yeah, this is it. It goes all around. It's supposed to be meant to have people come out here and do what those people over there were doing, which is basically just sitting down and relaxing. It goes Ethan. Definitely, it's not meant for fishing. You guys see the signs, but so these people were there fishing at the. I wouldn't recommend you doing that, because if you get caught doing that, you might get in trouble. So check it out. No fishing.
And those guys are fishing.
Yes, and those guys are fishing.
Not good.
That's not good. They're breaking the rules. And I don't know if you guys can see, but that over there is the channel that eventually leads you out into the ocean. So it doesn't seem to be as long as the one from Blackburn Marina, but this also has a channel here. So apparently all this area here must be very shallow.
Mama, be careful.
So baby, what are you doing?
Mirando.
Watch how you don't slip and fall. If you slip and fall, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm leaving that in the video as a huge fail.
I'm gonna go.
No, papi, stay there. The rocks might be slippery. Oh, that sucks. I was actually hoping you fell. Welcome back, guys. Okay, so that was a quick little tour of this side of the park here in Homestead. It's pretty nice. I mean, I don't know if I'll be out here all day, because I don't see out here like any barbecue stands in this area. This is more, I guess, if you want to come kayak, or if you have your own kayak, bring it. I guess, I mean, you could launch it out in that area over there. Other than that, this just seems to be like a very relaxed place to come. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and until the next one. Look at the iguanas.
What?
Look at the iguanas.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at the iguanas. Tremendo iguanas. Mira eso. Look at them over there. Come here. Don't get close.
Only good clothes.
Well,
Can't touch it.
you can't touch the iguana.
Why?
They're not pets, Papi. These live out in the wilderness. They might slap you with their tail. Look. Oh my God, look how funny.
A baby. The baby.
You saw a little baby iguana?
Yeah. I think where's the baby?
So right before I was saying goodbye, I got you guys a quick little video of the iguanas. Alrighty then.